You understand? So that is something been troubling me. And I just hope and I pray that these new police officers. So what we have to do, guys, Roger that. Thank you, my brother. I appreciate you. I appreciate love you. So what we have to do now, people, we need to start come out and any little thing what we did know. Because the police them, because me hate the police them. I was cussing the police them because the police them now do nothing for the poor. So me hope and pray that these new set of police now, they will give with some form of justice for this little boy. And as me say, we don't have no whole heap to go do it now. Because we will give you know what we need to use to coop all of these animals. You understand? And right now, me hear say Jayden father down in Manchester, I walk up and down with one of the buttons for the march and I ball down the whole place. Okay? So Jayden father, the one named Paul, that freak, one named Paul. But tell Paul, say me no sorry for him, none at all. Tell Paul, say me don't sorry for him, none at all. But him down there walk up and down with one of Jayden button them for the march and I ball like some sissy. Me not sorry for him. Me don't sorry for him and him to do that. Say me don't sorry for him. But just a give you no update on where that freak down there going with. Yeah? I walk up and down with Jayden button and a ball like it not no sense. But here what me know. The ball, you know, me say my ball is a good balling still. Because them say my ball like you want to start squeal. And I shouldn't say that no, because you know, so the people are listening and them, you know, and they go cap him. But yes, him down that ball and them say ball, you know my ball, look like he hope to start speed out anytime now. You understand? And oh people, let me tell you something. When you know want to see the latest, look at the crocodile fat. The crocodile fat like a mudfish. When me say people, if you don't see the new look at the crocodile fat like a mudfish. You don't know where the crocodile long there name? Well then name dead cow and dead goat. Look like enough things she get after a storm for eat me, I tell you no. Crocodile live life as normal, life as usual. And also there's a next little girl that me here says something happened to, but you see true me not get the full story. We can't really elaborate on it 100%. But me just want to come and make you know, because guys, me have a headache. The headache is so big. Like my head is killing me. But me say me I come out, come make you know that how me feel about the case, because even when I think I don't want to scream them, you know, they will scream them and the lack of food and the lack of having a wife and so I feel so them that get in my head and I hurt my head. So anybody who want to marry to me no talk for now, you know, because as me say me have bad headache. So if you don't want to marry to me and stop your headache, you can talk to me for now. Talk to me. You understand? Yeah. Lulu, you feel like you can give one little married or so? Yeah. In Lulu? Chrissy! Sexy Chrissy at the beat of my heart. So yes guys, I don't know if anybody feel like say then can give me one little married or so. Anybody want to give me one little married, we will gladly take you know. Yes, anybody want to come give me one married. I so call me exercise every day you know. 1 and a 2 and a 1 and a 2. 1 and a 2. Alright. So anybody who want to call me fat you can defend me, because you see me just do exercise, okay, I laugh me for 2 months. So anybody want to do force for this long while me. You understand? So me just had show no. So anybody asks you know, so when last you know see Tiger do exercise, me just do 2 months worth of exercise just a look while. So you can do over here if I'm being my wickedness. You don't like the grass? You don't like the grass, Chrissy? Well, obviously this is not real grass, you know. This is artificial grass, so I'm not in the artificial one, no scratcher. This is the artificial, it's not really real grass. Peter, look. This is artificial grass. But yes, people, yeah. As may I say, right now, I'm going to take the time out to big up J Progress, you know, because it's J Progress. J Progress remind me of me. And be serious, it remind me of me. But anyway, big up J Progress still. And right now, what we are going to start the people, I'm going to tell you something. You see, right now, it does not matter what conversation we have about Jayden. Yo, my gunman friend Tommy. Tommy, you can't come say hello to me. Tommy, you can't come say hello to me. You go on, man. You go on here. It's alright. We are going to do a campaign. We are going to do a campaign to shut down all of the gym them in the world. Me and Tommy are doing a campaign to shut down the gym them because we just feel like say people should not go to nobody place and lift up this whole heap of iron and account like them are do maths. You understand? People should not go to nobody building and lift up no whole heap of iron and like I learn to do count maths or ABC. And a 1 and a 2 and a yeah, me not depend them nobody. Nobody at all. Me not ask sexy. Me not join them stuff with nobody yet. You can't pay me to come to your place and lift up iron. A matter of fact, told them gym people I love manipulated and manipulative things. We have to go to go pay them, you know. We have to go to go pay them to lift up iron. Huh? Just imagine. Eh? After my father not have share another for them gym. So me I gotta go pay you to come at your place, go lift up this whole heap of iron. Eh, Toto? You know, Toto tell them say, nah, go happen, brother. It's not gonna happen. It's not gonna work. Toto, more you help me. I do a campaign. We want to shut down all I gym them. Because they have people come there lift up this whole heap of iron at the daytime and I learn mathematics. Mm-hmm. I chat the boy that chat me. Your shape like water. I mean I talk to Kuya. Me never say Indian with a proper shape. It's a shape like water. You can't talk to me. Oh, a cricket to play. Me don't do with football. Right. But anyway, people, as I was saying before, I am comfortable right now in the way the Jayden case is moving. And I am sure, well, I probably, I feel like by December, we are going to have a breakthrough. You understand? So what we want to say now, I not tell no other platform how to keep them platform. But I say right now, me I go start run the script that I run from last year. Come one of them new policemen that will come on the case to be aware. You understand? So that's up my thing there right now. And as me say, the first thing when we want the police them to do, the very first thing, you see principal now? You see principal now, Mr. Officer? You see principal right now? The principal right now, me want the principal. Me don't know what kind of influence the principal have in a Mandeville, Mr. Officer. But we, the public of the court of public opinion, we feel like the principal have some stronghold in a Mandeville. So, Mr. Dennis, I am asking you, sir, please and thank you very much. Don't let the ground hog principal contaminate you. Because it look like him contaminate anything where him go. And we, the court of public opinion, believe that the daughter of the hyena is for the principal. That is the way that connection and that link come with the principal, because everybody want to know where the ground principal, the links between them. So we, the court of public opinion, we believe that the principal is the father of the first child of the hyena. And that is the reason why him run out and tell BLI and Jayden, say Jayden not to commit suicide, and I beg Jayden please not commit no suicide and all of these things.